Hey, door.
I got 9%.
Should have brought an iPhone cord. Oops. You got an iPhone cord, Faffy?
I've got a cord. Have you got a battery?
Yeah, I do have a battery pack. Look at that, we're a team. Yeah, don't walk on the path. So what's the first mission?
Get to the boat.
Okay, cool.
Or maybe food to bring to the boat.
Food to bring on the boat. So is it a boat?
I don't know.
Is it a little boat? I'm excited. So how many times have you been to Copenhagen?
I don't know, maybe 4?
Yeah.
4 times?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I thought you'd been here like 100 million times.
Yeah,
No.
what's the body clock?
So close.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, but I've been to Denmark a couple of times, but Copenhagen, maybe 4, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not. It's a chill town. Blake's finding out how much of a chill town in like Australia it is. All right. So first step, boat. Second step, fill this thing out. I feel like there needs to be something in the middle. I should have put a face of myself.
That's where Doodle goes.
If I was marrying
Maybe
myself.
a cat.
A cat. That would have been good. Woofy. All right, off to the boat. Woo. Okay, we've been walking now for 5 minutes. It's hot. And yeah.
But Diddy, you've also got to get a cyclist to do that.
Do what? The board?
Yeah.
All right, that's easy.
Just walk out.
I just be like, I want to take a picture of your beard. You're beautiful.
Maybe,
Stairs? No?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's there.
Craig's got this. If it doesn't work, we'll blame
I
Craig.
expected some food place somewhere.
I'm like, now it's the end of the
How you feeling there, Blakey?
Good.
I have an orange.
Yeah.
Somewhere near that brown building.
Faffy's trying to survive.
Come on, Robert.
You can do this. There's cake at the other end, Fatty. Oh look, there's the Forbies. Oh yeah, helmets are optional here.
Are you serious? Oh,
Yep.
optional. That's how you see it.
And when are we moving here?
Yeah, I know, right? Only in this
So
country.
they go by the law, if you fall over and you stack it and you break your head, it's your own fault.
It's your own fault, yeah.
Beautiful.
Right.
We need that in this
Over the bridge, under the bridge.
We really need that.
Over.
Over. Are you excited? I'm excited. We'll figure it out. We got a boat.
Smacking the open beer bottle with a coin.
Oh yeah, we can just do that. Do we need a tent?
We're in Finland. I did this side of the table thing and hit it.
It cost too
And
much
it had
if I
that,
break
you know, the little plastic lining
Took it off.
came off.
Yeah. I've actually done the side of table took a piece of it.
Oops. Okay, so Dad's asking 1,000,001 questions. We just got the tour on what to do. We've asked all the ladies and who I'm going to.
Already.
We've got a lot of votes. We got 6. 6. So supposedly I'm marrying Craig by the end of the night. And yeah.
Be careful, we might be able to get some more speed with this.
Oh, we could.
We can ask them for a second battery.
Birthday, or is it like just
The Bucks party.
Is it what?
Bucks party.
Okay, great. Like, did you say bachelor?
Bachelor party.
It's a bachelor party. Okay.
Come on.
You
Gonna have more balls.
want to go to
This is fun. Hey, door. Why don't we just get a tote? All right, we're trying to get out now.
God.
Holy crap, we're going quick.
That's full throttle.
Slow down.
It's time to go back.
Don't rock the boat, baby, rock the boat, rock the boat.
Oh my God, that's full throttle.
Is this quick? Is it too fast for you?
Reverse is
It's too slow.
Should we slow down?
I did this at Nelson's Bay and it was very similar.
Oh yeah.
the reverse
Dangerous.
Is slower.
No, it
That's
was,
full throttle.
yeah, it was like, oh, you can
This is wicked. You having fun?
and you can always speed it up.
We don't need a paddle.
When you're editing,
I'll stand up
you can
there.
always
Has
speed it
anyone
up,
got any
make it look
skis?
like we actually are going a bit
Aquaplane.
Hop out the back and be towed.
Hey, hey.
Bigger ones, bigger ones.
Right, let's crack into the drinks. I'm trying to see who's. We're playing chicken.
Imagine if it was one of those ones with two and you tried to go down the middle.
Who can be?
underneath.
Oh my god, a catamaran.
Gotta tell you.
We are actually about to go through bridges that are like that, so I hope you
can
are.
touch the.
You're excited. You're ready for it.
I got to tell you again, but this time you get a V hole. Instead of going round on the V hole, bounce them over.
Yeah. There you go.
Straight. Hurry up, it's sinking.
Go. Right. Really far right. More right. More right. More right. That is so not right.
Just go really right.
No, right. More
Just
right.
keep going right, keep going
More
right, keep going
right.
right. Doesn't matter if it
Much
touches.
more right. Like, not over the. Alright, cool. Leave it there. Pass it down, so.
This is still recording, by the way.
Yeah. Oops.
Did it get wet?
Nah. Yeah, we can dock.
Are we picking this person up or?
This is Heinz. This is Sarah's dad.
Oh, right.
Probably trying to ring me because he had my number.
Oh, it's charging. Oops, I haven't turned it on yet. Heinz!
We're not moving. I'm in a hurry.
We'll see you next week. And here comes a boat. Where are you going? We're trying to get there
You're gonna have
Maybe.
to run and jump.
really fast.
Can't you slow the speed?
He can't drive. Dad's driving.
No, he's gonna reverse it. Other way, quick.
Dad's driving. We're not gonna make it. I bet you Craig would have got us there in a minute. All right, let's move around. Come up, so. Hey! That could have gone one of two ways.
Could have been a drop.
That was me, I would have gone where? How we going?
Blake, Heinz, so you met so before, and Fat Boy, which he lived in your
The one
room.
who can't control the steering. Oh, yeah, I missed you 10 minutes.
Oh, did ya?
Sorry.
We were trying to go the other way. I looked at the map, so the
we tried to go the other
And he watched the bad driver drive around.
Yeah.
Might take over in a second.
Drink, Heinzie?
Here I
I have a transportation beer.
That's so Australian of you.
I have a transportation beer.
Got one for the road.
Yeah. I have to drive my car back home tonight from Malmö.
Oh, you're in Malmö?
Yeah, it's in Malmö. I took the train from Malmö.
Ah, nice.
There's a water here if it's underwater.
It's shooky.
It is, it seems like we're rocketing along the top.
Yeah, when you're in a canal.
Yeah, when there's nothing.
There's no current in
Hey, hey.
We picked up a hitchhiker.
I wonder if you'll notice when you get back if we've got
A little
You should
fat
like-
German
oh,
guy.
where did this guy come from?
Swimming. When we went to pick up the hat, we picked up a swimmer. It was,
Bad
was a
driver.
seagull.
pierced it and everything, I think. At one point.
Okay, so we're on the boat going through the canals. Dad's piloting and he's drinking. Everyone's having a blast. No, they don't. You drive anything you want. I should hold a sign up. and just be like, which one do you reckon I'm marrying?
I'm gonna steal one of these.
Welcome.
I'm gonna borrow one of these election posters and just add that as
From
an
Australia.
extra thing on the back.
Say vote me.
Vote me for your next Prime Minister. So here we are on our left is the Parliament. Are we gonna let this blue boat pass? Oh, we should actually dock. We should have docked, and then I could have asked people about my
We're gonna have to soon because you haven't got many ticks on there.
I haven't got many chicks.
Well, we were
Well, it takes us 25 minutes to dock. Morning, evening,
Morning.
somewhere in the world. Oops.
It's alright, he's drunk.
It's very good morning.
I'll have another.
Go.
Afternoon. Thank you very much. Sorry. I've never seen so many boats here. Am I gonna make this one? Yep. Good skipper, always.
Never lose his head, just his hat.
Just his mind. This boat is getting awfully closer and closer.
Somebody gonna swallow us alive.
Just slow him down, we'll just slow him right down.
The trouble is, it reaches, but we just reach out the bridge. I wonder how long this battery lasts.
Here's the dock. And we can go up and ask people. Or do you want to go to another one?
We can.
I'll climb up on a red ladder. Yes, sir.
Parliament House.
Skål. Sun's out, fun's out. Dad, am I going to miss this one?
Yeah.
Am I going to miss this one?
To stick them together. I think it's in the
Voodoo stickers.
I know. Oh, we've got love heart stickers. Turd stickers.
Come on.
Woo. Oh, there's a dock. I found it.
So, how was Finland?
All right, see you, Craigie. Don't. You reversed away. Go alongside. Go alongside. See where Craig is?
No, just put the boat.
I want some ticks.
Some ticks. You'll make it. Are you gonna film? Hey.
I found the pen. Yeah, it's over here.
I found the pen. I got the pen. So I said it's got the boat for me. Woo! Alright, let's go. Should I wrap myself in the flag? No. Ursäkta.
Hey,
Sorry.
no worries.
English?
Yeah, sure.
I am getting married this weekend. Thank you. I was wondering if you could tell me or tick on which one you think I'm going to marry.
Oh,
Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing.
Wait, can I see you? Can you take the glasses off?
Of course. I'm not the handsomest one.
No, you are.
But she or he is on here. It's a girl. But she's on there somewhere.
Can we ask questions or we do?
Oh
just have to
yeah,
guess?
ask a question.
So you can give clues. In a
Yep,
way.
yeah, I'll give
What do you like the most about her?
I like that she has beautiful eyes and a great smile. And a hat.
You're cheating.
That's so much cheating!
When you said the smile, I immediately looked at her.
Oh!
Yeah, 'cause she has a beautiful
Tick.
smile. You get a tick right there on the cowgirl.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And Madame?
But the thing is that I'm annoyed because you said had, and I'm like,
There's two that.
yeah, I know there's two in a head, but maybe it's just saying had to, like, you know.
Narrowing
Who
the
doesn't-
odds. Narrowing the odds. But for fun, you're definitely allowed to tick that guy right there.
Wait, is that you?
That's him.
Didn't even recognize you. Oh my god, I feel like
Last
you're
week in the snow in Norway? No, Finland.
looking sharp.
Where's she from?
Where's she from? She's from Sweden.
Oh.
Definitely. I really definitely think it's her.
Oh, sorry. I mean, no, not at all.
Killing my mood, fuck it.
Ah.
2 for 2. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
He's
thank you.
cheating! Just saying. And if we got it
Thank
wrong,
you.
it's not our
You
fault.
got,
it's
you
his.
got it both right.
Nice.
Right.
Thank you, guys.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you,
You're
thank you, thank you so much.
You did it.
Enjoy your
Thank you
marriage.
so much. I will. While it lasts. All right. Where to now, Craigie?
You're gonna have someone on a bike.
I gotta do someone on a bike. All right. We'll be back in a sec. So I thought we were going to someone on a bike.
Okay, sorry.
No, 4 more minutes.
We'll be back. He's got a bike. He's got a bike. Good afternoon, sir. I'm getting married this weekend. I was wondering if you could tell me which one I'm going to marry.
That's a tough.
Anyone can be picked.
Are you sure?
I like every choice. Every choice has been good so far. And just let it say, he was on a bike. You can pick multiples. I know it's singular, but I wish it was multiples. Life could be different. Yes.
Put a tick.
Put a tick. And yes, it actually is. Thank you so much. I got it. I got the bike. He was on the bike.
Maybe we should see if they have some more snacks over there.
Yes, yeah. Snack time and we'll ask what we
I'll turn this off, did it?
hit the top.
A top, what do I press?
Just for 10 minutes, hit the top button. Right there.